In FlowWright version 9.8, you can use the enterprise service bus, and we have introduced a new event handler that is completely requires no coding. You can use a workflow definition as an event handler. Let me show you how that is done. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new event and an event handler using a subscriber. So I'm going to say system I want, and then also the event I want is data removed. And in this case, the event handler is going to be CLS execute workflow. As you can see, the UI changes. So here I'm going to select one of my workflows. So when this event happens, I want a workflow to run. And in this case, I'm going to select my task jump workflow. And here I can also select whether to run this in real time or background. I'm going to select in background because I want to show the workflow instance running within FlowWright. I can also map any event parameters and to variables or globals and add them also. But I'm just going to use the workflow for now. So let's go ahead and say create. So you can see I have created my subscriber over here, and we can also go and test this subscriber. So we're going to go to our event testing, generate events, and we're going to select category and the event. And here we can say generate event, and the event will get published to the enterprise service bus. The ESB engine will now execute that event, and if we go to our workflow instances, we should see a new workflow instance created. So as you can see, this is from the task jump workflow. This instance was created. And if we also look at the events that were generated under the enterprise service bus, we should also see that particular event has been processed. So if you look under view events, so this was the event that got published, and currently it's executed, and we can also expand and see any parameters that were passed in. So now you can actually design a workflow and use that particular workflow definition as an event handler for any given event. So the system can generate events either through FlowWright or either from external using our APIs. And when that event happens, the enterprise service bus will execute that event using your workflow definition that you have attached.